little bit of the computer trying to mix in some sleet at this point around Salina, Prosper, close to McKinney, but there's a heavier batch of rain that's going to come through McKinney. That will be a brief downpour as it moves on to the northeast. Farther to the west, you see more rain developing on the west side of Fort Worth. See, I told you that the break in Tarrant County wouldn't last very long, and eventually that's going to fill in as sleet as those temperatures drop. Springtown on to the west, good signal that a lot of that is in the form of some freezing rain and sleet, and farther to the north, it is snow. So this is the bed that we will lie in tonight, but it will get better as we go through time. Microcast shows the rain, 6 o'clock. Then as the evening wears on, the transition will continue to take place. The freezing precip, whether it be a little bit of freezing rain, eventually sleet and snow, will all become steadier and heavier, and I think that through about 3 a.m., 4 a.m., that's what we'll be dealing with. By 4 a.m., there you see a lot of that starting to slide off to the east. Could be snowing at that point. Canton, Athens would have some freezing precip. Same thing, Corsicana. By 7, it's gone. We'll likely start kind of cloudy, but then the sun comes out. By this time tomorrow, we will be saying, hey, it's nice and sunny. I don't care that it's cold, but it will be cold. We're talking about temperatures in the 30s. So 7 o'clock tonight, there's the freezing line. Most of us at that point will be at or slightly below freezing. So what is it, 4:30, 4:20? So that's at 7. Then by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, we are down in the mid-20s. So that's where our problems with the roads comes from. Once you get below 29, you're really going to freeze those surface roads. Anything below 32 freezes the bridges fairly quickly. Tomorrow afternoon, we get above freezing. With the sunshine, that will help melt a lot of this, but it will still be cold. We'll end up in the 40s on Friday. So the forecast will go from rain to freezing rain, sleet and snow, and then windy and cold. There's a wind advisory as well. 27 the low temperature. It'll feel colder than that with those north winds gusting up over 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow starts cloudy but dry. 27 at 7 a.m. Wind chill values at that point in the teens. Will be 33 at noon, sunny, and 37 by this time tomorrow. The wind's about 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the north. You're going to love this 7-day. Look at that. Look at that. This is the first time in a while, guys, where I don't have any chances of precip on the actual 7-day forecast because it will be done before the sun comes up tomorrow. But that's 7 dry days with a nice little warming trend. Weekend will be cool, but it'll be sunny, and then we're in the 60s next week.
Oh my goodness.
Hopefully this is the last storm of the
I don't
season.
see, you know what? I don't see anything else coming along. March sometimes likes to throw curveballs, but I don't see anything coming down the pipe.
But this is a major event, which is
Right.
why you at
Absolutely.
home may notice that we are in red mode here on our set. So we're going to be watching it closely.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Rick.
Thanks, Rick. Well, as this deep freeze bears down on us, we have crews spread out all across North Texas, including the Texas Thunder Truck driving right now through